Welcome to Max class. In this class, I am going to explain about statistics. Statistics is the study of the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation and organization of data. In other words, it is a mathematical discipline to collect and summarize data. The word data was first used in 6040s. In 1946, the word data also meant for transmittable and storable computer information. In 1954, a term called data processing was introduced. The plural form of datum is data. It also means given or to give in Latin. Data. Data is defined the numerical information or facts collected. The numerical information or facts collected are known as data. For example, number of library visit. Here raw data is given and the store data is given and then the store data is changed as grouped data. Collection of data. Data collection is the process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest in an established systematic fashion that enables one to answer stated research questions, test hypotheses and evaluate outcomes. Types of data. So, data collection is divided into two types, primary data and secondary data. Primary data. Primary data means the raw data which has just been collected from the original source and has not got any kind of statistical treatment like sorting and tabulation. Some examples of primary data. List of absentees in the class. A survey on writing habits of students conducted by a pen manufacturing company. The third one is the types of leaves collected by students for studying nature of leaves. Secondary data. Secondary data consists of second-hand information which has already been collected. It could have been collected by someone other than the user for some other purpose. Some examples of secondary data are the headmaster collects the students' absentee list from school office, cricket scores gathered from a website, data from television and newspapers, and list of contact numbers from telephone directory. Next, we learn about organizing data. The collected data are to be arranged methodically or logically so that the information can be looked up fast whenever needed, easily and efficiently. In this figure, some of organized data are shown. The organized data are converted as bar graphs and pictograph. Next, we learn about tally marks. Tally marks also called hash marks. Tally marks are a unary numeral system. They form a numeral used for counting. They are most useful in counting ongoing results, such as the score in a game or sport, as no intermediate results need to be erased or discarded. Frequency. A frequency in the number of times a data value occurs in tally marks. Frequency is often represented by the letter small f. In this figure, tally marks for 1 to 10 are shown. For example, bird count is represented in tally marks. Birds Sparrow and Robins were watched at Friday 1, 5, Thursday 4, 3, Wednesday 2, 1, Tuesday 5, 2, Monday 2, 1. Here the frequency of sparrow is 2. Number 2 is repeated in 2 times. In robins, the frequency is 1. 1 is repeated in 2 times. Students, I hope you have understood about data, collection of data, types and organizing data and tally marks. Thank you.